It's a well-known fact Toyota is building up the new Supra, J29, with assistance from BMW. As released Bavarian automaker's documentation proposes, it's something beyond help the Japanese are getting. Up-and-coming 2018 Toyota Supra will likewise get a full scope of BMW motors and transmission as a reward. You can chalk the lower yield 4-barrel off straight away, as it'll undoubtedly be offered only abroad. This leaves the US spec Toyota Supra with two conceivable choices, a 248 torque turbo 4 and a 335 drive turbo 6. Obviously, new age of vehicles quite often accompanies change on conclusive power yield front, so expect the 6-barrel 2018 Supra to convey around 350 horses. These aren't the news Toyota Supra fans needed to hear, yet there's still time to change things around. Ideally, somebody from Toyota will read this. Else, it would appear that Toyota is simply piggybacking on BMW's E4's improvement. What's more, that is not the way a nameplate like Supra should be dealt with.